Hi, my name is Liska and I'm going to show you how to use the grid report today. For that we're going to use the invoice lookup. So we're going to open that and I'm first going to show you where to find the grid reports over here. I'll just click on the arrow there and then you can see all the reports that have already been saved. There's a list. Now if you want to create your own new report, you just click on new, then you give your report a name. Okay, I'm going to call mine Liska. Then you save that report under that name. And now you can make all the changes that you want. So you can, for example, move the columns around, change the order. You can right click to get the context specific menu, and then you can remove a column and remove another one. And you can arrange it in any way that you like. And for example, you can put in a value here in the filter. For example, I want to look for all the discounts that are greater than 5%. And there we have them. Okay. Then you can also save this report and then you can set it as your default report. So you click on more, set report as default. Okay, that's what you want to do. And then when I go out of this window and open again, it will automatically take me to this report that I asked it for. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to use the edit filter. Because what I want to do is I want to change the settings here, and I actually want to look for all the invoices that were sent out today where the total due is greater than R1,000. So first I'm going to delete this. Right. Then I'm going to start by adding the total due. Then I click on the brackets and I look for total due. So that takes me to the correct column. Then I click on the equal sign, and that's going to be is greater than, and here I'm going to enter my value, which is going to be 1,000. Then I'm going to say apply, and now I can see that it's found 16 different items for me on this form. Right, now I would like to find all the invoices of today. So I click on and then I say add group. And now I click on the brackets and I look for the date and click on where it says equals, and now I'm not going to choose one of these values. I'm going to choose time, date and time operators, and that is going to be is today. Now I click apply again, and now we have two values. Say now I decide I would now actually like to see all the invoices of not only today but of this week that are greater than 1,000. So I can add another item here. Click on the brackets, go to date again. Then for equals I go to date and time operators, and that will be is earlier this week. Now I click apply. Now you'll see that all the values have disappeared because there's an error in this formula, because you're asking for values for today and earlier this week, which doesn't make sense. So then we have to go to the and change that to or, apply again, and now you'll see that it shows you three values, which are all the invoices of today or earlier this week that were greater than 1,000. Right, and now you can save that report again, and when you exit and open it, it'll open on this page again. If you have any other queries, you can always click on the help button in the top right hand corner.